First, you will need to access the Header Settings main menu. Starting on the home screen, tap the Combine button. Tap the Header Settings button. On the Header Settings screen, there are 3 different cutting set points available. Cutpoint 1 and Cutpoint 2 are available when using Auto Header Height Control. To adjust Cutpoint 2, select the box next to the Cutpoint 2 icon and use the scroll wheel. To adjust Cutpoint 1, use the scroll wheel on the dashboard. Scrolling forward increases the cut point. Scrolling backward decreases the cut point. Having 2 available set points improves the header's performance as the crop height and conditions change throughout the field. To cycle through the cutoff points, press the Auto Header Height Control button on the multifunction handle. One click of the button will change cut height from 1 to 2 and vice versa. Double press the Auto Header Height Control button to move the header cut point to the task cutoff height. The task cutoff height should be set so the header is high enough to no longer cut crop and data collection stops. Note, you can also adjust the height by selecting the box next to the cutoff height icon and using the scroll wheel.